So statement 1 is of course possible for huge values of x, y and z. Let's say x is equal to 100 and y is equal to 5 and z is equal to 1. Of course this is possible, works well. Coming to statement 2, this says reverse, that x, y, z, but on squaring and cubing, on finding the square root and cube root, it reverses. For values such as x is equal to, let's say, 0.90, y is equal to, or in values such as I don't think this would work. For bigger values it may work. For example, x is equal to 13, y is equal to 12 and z is equal to 11. So see, originally x is greater than y is greater than z. However, when you square root it, so now see, z will be 11 greater than square root of y, which would be approximately 3.4, 3.5, and cube root of y would be somewhere between 2 and 3. So definitely it works well for such combinations. So this is also possible. Coming to this one, this will work for very close fractional values of x, y and z. For example, x is equal to 0.52. I'm sorry, this is greater than. On the test, when you take it on the software, you will find it greater than. This is a typo. So this is possible for 0.52, x is equal to 0.52, y is equal to 0.51 and z is equal to 0.50. So see, the beauty of numbers between 0 and 1 is that when you take their cube roots or square roots, the values keep on increasing. So if a number is 0.5, its square root would be greater than 0.5. Generally in bigger values, 2 and all, when you take square root, the value reduces. This is 1.4 something. But in 0.5, when you square root it, the value increases, 0.7 something. If you cube root it, the value will further increase significantly. This will be approximately 0.8 or something, right? So cube root of 0.5 will be the biggest of all. Cube root of z would be approximately 0.8, which would of course be greater than square root of 0.5, which is 0.7, and which would be greater than y itself, which is roughly 0.5, So this is also possible. This is a difficult question, but there's a lot to be learned from this particular question. Please watch this video closely until you are sure of this concept. This concept is very, very important on GMAT.